This is my space. This is my craft. This is Modern Roots Kitchen. What's up, Aioli, everybody? Welcome back to the Modern Roots Kitchen channel. Today we have our very first guest on the show, Mr. Jonathan Norris of the top 40 Billboard rock band Kingdom Collapse.
I've become unbreakable. I can feel myself coming alive.
Alright, y'all, so today what we're going to be making with my friend Jonathan here is some al pastor burgers. We got a mix of some beef and some pork right here. So Jonathan, right here we have some 90-10 ground sirloin beef. That's going to be 75% of our mix.
Okay.
And then the other 25% is some 80-20 ground pork. So if you can do me the favor and mix those together as well as you can and make our burger patty.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so Jonathan's mixing up the pig cow meat. Me and Jonathan actually go way back, man. We've had bands for a long period of time. I had my band last week fall from back in the day. We used to do shows with Kingdom Collapse. We had some really good times. We even did a show together with the bass player of Disturbed, Mr. John Moyer. So we go back quite a ways.
Yeah, probably since what, like 2009 or 10?
Yeah, we were like that. We were both in our emo phase, just completely ugly, but. And Jonathan only played guitar at the time. Now he's the full lead singer and everything, songwriter for his band Kingdom Collapse. You guys are killing it right now, so
Thank you.
So if you haven't yet, go check out one of their music videos.
We'll fight to overcome. Now that I am unbreakable.
Alright, dope. So I'm gonna have Mr. Jonathan Norris here go ahead and shape our patties, get them nice and seasoned, and we're gonna get them cooked up. So Jonathan.
You know, in Texas we call pork hog.
That's a cow hog burger, brother.
And they're the reason we always keep a shotgun with us.
Alright, so Mr. Jonathan has some beautiful constructed beef patties, beef and pork patties right here, nice and salted and peppered. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on a cast iron. And there's no need for oil or anything like that on the cast iron. That pork has plenty of fat to contribute. So these are gonna get nice and fried right here on the cast iron. Alright, y'all, so our burgers have a nice little sear on our cast iron, so we're gonna go ahead and flip these joints. These beautifully constructed burger patties by Jonathan Norris. You're gonna go ahead and flatten them down a little bit. You don't wanna mess with them too much. Run all that juice out of there, it's not good. Also right here we have some mesquite smoked, thick cut peppered bacon that we're gonna go ahead and throw in a 350-degree oven to get nice and crispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss that in there. And it's lit.
Oh yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we can't have an al pastor burger without some al pastor. So Jonathan, if you can hand me that beautiful al pastor meat we have right here. Boom. So this is already diced up and marinated al pastor. So I got a hot cast iron pan right here, and we're just gonna
So while Danny's cooking the meat, I'm gonna be making the toppings for the burgers. So we have cilantro, red cabbage, lettuce, and lime juice. So we're gonna make the honey habanero aioli. We've got 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We've got a good squirt of honey. 1/8 of a teaspoon of habanero flakes, and then we've got a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we'll do a tiny bit
Just a little 1/8 teaspoon of the habanero.
Don't want to overdo this part.
Yeah, you can dip it in there if you want to.
Oh yeah, that'd be easier though, right? You're like, what's this idiot doing?
Trying to make it in the basket.
You know, we're gonna learn from our mistakes here, and just go for it.
And a full teaspoon of garlic powder.
Full teaspoon, like that.
There you go.
Wow,
Beautiful.
that's gonna be garlicky, and we're gonna mix that together.
Yeah.
That's gonna be good. Real good.
Real good. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take our crispy al pastor out of our cast iron pan. Just set it aside in a little bowl. And we're going to go ahead and cook our pineapple. Get all those crispy bits. All that flavor. This burger is going to be ridiculous. Alright, yo, so we got some fresh pineapple right here that I deconstructed earlier and took the pit out of. You can use canned pineapple. So as I was saying, we got some beautiful pineapple here. You can use canned pineapple if you want to. We got some fresh right here. I just want to go ahead and sear this pineapple.
Hot pineapple.
Hot pineapple.
Hot pineapple. So now we're ready to start building our burgers, and we're gonna start with the avocado on the bottom of the bun. Something like that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, brother.
About like that.
That's perfect.
Okay.
And then we just go down the line, a little assembly line.
We're gonna put the vegetable mix on top of the avocado. Like that?
Beautiful, nice little build up, yeah.
Okay.
Some support for the patties. Oh, that's really nice.
I like to think of it as patty springs. So they can bounce into your mouth.
I've never heard patty springs in my life.
And then next we've got the patties.
Yeah, so we got our burgers here.
Okay.
I'm gonna pop those on there.
Yep.
Go ahead
Boom.
and pretty this up a little bit.
Boom. Boom.
Beautiful. Now after that, I got my little cheat sheet here because we have so many components.
Burger build.
So, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our al pastor. So I'm gonna go ahead. We got our
Put
beautiful.
the pastor on the burger.
We got our beautiful pastor right here.
Cooked him up.
We're just gonna get that on as well as we can. If it falls all over the sides, you know, you're gonna eat snack on that while you're in the middle of your burger. Get that all up in there. Beautiful.
That one keeps falling.
Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our pineapples. Each burger gets its own pineapple. Beautiful. Ones that drop, that'll be mine. And then after the pineapple is our beautiful bacon strips.
Damn, dude. Double stack.
This is a big boy burger. This is a manly son of a gun, I tell you what. So we're gonna go ahead and pile up 2 strips on each.
We call it the tropical meat lover.
Tropical meat lovers. And we got some beautiful thinly sliced red onion. You gotta eat your vegetables, you know. Beautiful. And then we have our beautiful honey habanero aioli that Jonathan prepared earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread that on these top buns. This burger is gonna be ridiculous.
I'm excited for that sauce, dude.
Oh yeah. Nice and spicy and sweet. Now, we're gonna have to do some construction here. So, I got these metal skewers, and I got some jalapenos in the fridge. I'm gonna grab real quick. We're gonna get some structural support. So we're gonna put on our lid. We're gonna grab a skewer, jalapeno. I'm gonna go straight down. This is a big boy burger, I'll tell you what.
You look amazing.
And that's it, man. Those are our beautiful al pastor burgers, Modern Roots Kitchen style, featuring Mr. Jonathan Norris of Kingdom Collapse.
Wow. I'm ready to eat.
Yo. Alright, y'all. So Jonathan, let's go ahead and taste our beautiful constructed al pastor burgers. Go ahead and grab one. Let's see how we did. This is a big boy burger.
Damn.
We'll go ahead and kind of smash mine a little bit. Let's go in.
That elbow grease.
That elbow grease, brother.
Here we go.
Oh, hell yeah.
Wow.
What do you think?
Tastes like I'm on vacation. Wow.
In the middle of Mexico right now. That pineapple is something special, I'll tell you what.
Yeah. Sweet. It's like savory.
A little bit of spice.
A little bit.
It's
It's got everything.
Cuts right through all that fattiness of the pork.
Oh yeah.
I think we did good, man.
Wow. Yeah.
You guys, it's summertime. Make sure you go ahead and try this at home. Your own rendition, change it up a little bit, do your thing. This burger is something special, I tell you what. Make sure you try it for your next get together during the summer. It's gonna be sick. make sure you go check out Kingdom Collapse and Jonathan Norris, an amazing rock band. I'll go ahead and link them down below, as long as all the ingredients as well for this dish. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see ya. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.